This one we're just doing a quick nightstand. Doesn't need a whole lot done. There's some damage to the back. I think it's coming off. It's got this really tough to work with paint, so we're gonna have to scrape all that off. We don't like the knobs. It's kind of a weird double knob thing, so we're gonna replace it with the old handle that we had from a different project. So we'll use that one. We'll paint it. So we'll paint the whole dresser a little more bright and colorful than it was before. They're going to remove the old knobs, put on the new handle. Got to make new holes for the new handle and cover up the old holes. Then we're going to repaint everything and put the back on, and that should be all it takes. Alright, nightstand's all done. Looks pretty good. It's only a single nightstand, but someone will find a use for it. A little more bright and colorful than it used to be, and yeah, it turned out pretty well.